Good day, everybody. My name is Karabo Masima, and I am with Ms. Mfetani, Ms. Kunze, Ms. Mutube, and Mr. Muswe. We'll be giving you a performance on accessories under the Birmingham store. I will be based on the performance of accessories over the last 3 years. As we can see, we have the highest picks. These picks were due to seasonal changes, being that they were due to festive. This is whereby we had marketing strategies like specials running Black Friday, which led to higher sales. And our lowest point in sales were due to geopolitical tensions, the COVID-19. Moving on to contributions of accessory department to the Birmingham store, we can see that the department in blue represents accessories, which contributed 8% to the overall performance, leading it to being the 6th in position. To improve this, we are going to improve our position. We are going to take necessary measures, being trying out different promotional methods to work. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Katlahana. I'll be taking you through comparison of accessories department of Birmingham store with other stores in year 2024-2025. As we can see, Birmingham has recorded a revenue of 7,700, which shows a good performance, even though it remains slightly. It is slightly below the top 10, which are Leeds, Cats, and Manchester, which indicate potential for improvements through better marketing and product replacement. Moving on to the comparison with other departments in the same store, accessories generates less revenue than major departments like household clothing and entertainment, but still performs better than smaller departments like stationery and toiletries.
Good day, my name is Tolokwense and I'll be taking you through the coefficient of variation. As we see here, Birmingham's coefficient of variation is 30, which means it has high volatility. As it has high volatility, it means that we are not able to high volatility means that our store has high risk. As it has high risk, it's difficult to predict our future performance. Moving on to the standardization graph, Birmingham's ratio is 0.86. 0.86 is lower than the 1.0 benchmark, meaning that it's not able to produce well as compared to stores like Manchester. Now, to improve our ratio, we intend to fill up the store with more products.
Good day, my name is Lifika Sweru. I'll be taking you through the index and sales revenue forecast. The chart illustrates the index numbers for the sales revenue from 2020-21 to 2020-24. I mean 2024-25. And having 2024-25 as our base year. From the graph, we can see that the revenue indices were above 120 in the first 4 years. So, for example, the 2020-2021, the indices were at around 135, which means there was a 35% difference with the base year of 2024-25. And also, however, there's a noticeable decline in 2020-24, where the index sharply drops to 100 from 140. So this downward trend suggests possible factors like reduced consumer demand and increased competition. Moving on to the sales revenue forecast, this chart presents the company's performance from August 2023 to 2027. The blue line showing the actual revenue figures and the red line showing the forecasted lower and upper bounds. From 2025 onwards, the forecast suggests moderate stabilization with the revenue expected to average between 12,000 and 10,000. However, we move further into 2026. The waning confidence interval reflects growing uncertainty in future performance, likely influenced by changing market dynamics and consumer behavior or operational factors. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm going to analyze the local competition of the Birmingham store. So if we take a look, our nearest competitors are Bent Cross and Nottingham, and also Sheffield. So they are considered as our competitors because their revenue is close to ours. So in that revenue is close to ours, meaning that if we try to change any strategy, we will lose the trust of our customers. So in order to stay ahead, we need to maintain competitive pricing and start advertising our product in social media platforms. Thank you.
Positive, negative?
Positive. The chart shows, the revenue chart shows a sales performance during certain periods, such as December 2022, which is close to around 16,000. This indicates that the company has high capitalism demand season.
Our negative is that our department wasn't able to use the floor size well.
Okay, what are you going to do now with the floor size?
We are planning on implementing product diversification, so we are going to introduce new products into our store to fill up the space.
Okay, thank you.